Meet with nature today.
The city sleeps beneath us. Raindrops hush the horns and rickshaws rest like boats adrift, and tea shops steam curls dream. Concrete towers blur in misty gray. Windows weep down every face. The call to prayer so soft, so floats like light from a broken star. Street dogs curl in alleys deep, while old tin roofs begin to neon signs flicker like forgotten in puddled streets that forget to shine. Dhaka, for once, forgets to wears quiet like a woven lace. In rain, the city sheds its and lets a softer world begin. The storm has passed, but the silence stays. In puddled streets and dusk, leaves lie flat in the dying light, and Dhaka hums in shades of night. A pale boat drifts past a dream, carrying whispers through a silver stream. Chai cups cold on windows, a city wrapped in sudden still. The call to rush, and now far away, as if the clocks forgot the day. A cat leaps soft from roof to tin, as if to say, let calm begin. After the rain in Dhaka, the clouds retreat like tired drums. As golden light through silence hums, Dhaka glistens washed and bright. Each rooftop holds a pool of light. The rickshaw wheels begin to spin, splashing laughter deep within. Children leap through mirrored streets, where rain and sunshine gently meet. The walls, once sweeping, now reflect a world revived, a sky correct. Smoke from tea stalls curls with grace, as warmth returns to every face. Pigeons coo from sunlit wires, waking up forgotten choirs. and in this glow the city sighs. A gentle blaze beneath blue skies.